Earlier this year, 2 Winnipeg residents were charged following graphic videos surfacing showing acts of animal abuse. And while the cruelty itself is illegal under Canada's criminal code, the case is raising questions on whether distributing or selling these kind of videos should be considered against the law. Animal Justice says most Canadians would be surprised to learn within the criminal code, the distribution or sale of so-called animal crush or torture videos are legal if they are not sexual in nature.
In the case in Winnipeg, we knew exactly who did those horrific acts and they were charged. But in many of these videos, sadly, you actually can't see the face of the perpetrator. So by having this loophole, we actually are leaving animals really vulnerable to some horrific abuse, and we're leaving law enforcement without the tools necessary to address those situations.
Under federal law, willfully killing, maiming, wounding, poisoning, or injuring an animal without lawful excuse can carry a maximum penalty of 5 years in prison. But in a statement to City News, the Department of Justice confirms the criminal code does not contain an offense that directly targets distributing or selling these types of videos. However, they went on to say they are exploring how to best strengthen the law's response to this conduct.
It is illegal in other places, like the United States. So it's not completely unheard of to pass this type of law. It's just a conversation that unfortunately we haven't yet had in Canada.
Animal Justice have submitted a brief to the House of Commons Justice Committee urging lawmakers to amend Bill C-16, a bill that would criminalize distributing bestiality videos.
Not all of these videos would fall under that category. Some of them are not sexual in nature. They're just straight up torture. So what we're saying is, here's a window of opportunity. You have a bill there. All we need to do is, tweak the language in like one very small part to make sure that all torture videos are caught.
In Winnipeg, Mitchell Ringos, City News.